Welcome everyone, I'm your host Amit, and today we are going to discuss this problem, longest common prefix. In this problem there are a list of strings that is given to us, array of strings, and we need to figure out what's the longest common prefix that is common between all these uh, strings. So how do you solve this problem? So we should consider two cases. One is, let's say, if this strings array, if it is totally blank or it is null, in that case we would return an empty string. Also, in case we don't have anything common, we would also return an empty string. Okay, so let's talk here. Okay, so one more thing we about the algorithm, how we can think of is we can store this first element inside our common subsequence, because let's say if there is only one element, that element, if there is only one string, that string is itself the common longest common substring. In this case, if there are more than one strings, then we would store this one string and then we iterate through all the other string elements and see if there is anything common between them, and we keep shortening that prefix and till the very end, till we iterate through the last element. Let's see how we go through it. So now first is this null and length 0 case, we would return an empty string. Next we would initialize our prefix with the strings, with the first element of the strings. Then we would iterate through the second element till the last element of the string array, and we would see if that element that we are iterating through is starting with this prefix. If it is starting, if it has this prefix, we would that is fine, but if it does not has the prefix, we would keep trimming one character from the end of this prefix string, and after iterating through all the elements, whatever is pending, whatever is remaining would be our final longest common prefix. So one common problem here, what people, while checking this condition, people can make is to only check only the last prefix and comparing it with the corresponding value at that corresponding position inside our string. So we should not do this, but because there is a possibility that some of the other characters other than the last prefix character at that given point may not match, and that condition can give us an erroneous result. Okay, let's try to run it. Oh, this got accepted. Let's try to submit this problem, and this runs in 0 millisecond, which is faster than 100% of all the submissions. Thank you. See you in the next one.